In this video, we look at two built-in Python tools, enumerate and zip, that make your loops cleaner and easier to read. Before we see any code, here is the idea. Sometimes you need to know where you are in a list, as well as what the item is. Enumerate and zip solve that cleanly, without any extra bookkeeping. Here is our program. The first for loop calls enumerate on the string AB. On every pass, Python unpacks two values. I is the position number, and ch is the character at that position. Inside the loop, print of I and ch displays the index followed by the character. Counting starts at 0 by default, so the first pair is 0 and A, then 1 and B. Next we have two lists. Names holds Alice and Bob, and scores holds their test results. We want to print each person alongside their score without manually tracking an index. Zip of names and scores ties the two lists together like a zipper. Each iteration gives us one name and its matching score, side by side, until the shorter list runs out. Here is the exact output. Enumerate gave us 0A and 1B, and zip neatly paired Alice with 95 and Bob with 87, all without a single manual index variable. Without enumerate, you would write I equals 0 before the loop and add 1 to I each time. Enumerate eliminates that boilerplate entirely, making your code shorter and safer. Remember, use enumerate when you need the position as well as the value, and use zip when you want to walk two sequences together. Both are simple, built-in, and immediately available in every Python program.